Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the chapter A Gift of Chappal. A Gift of Chappal is of class 7, chapter number 2 of subject English. So let us start. So my dear student, this is our book Honeycomb of class 7 textbook in English. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, that is A Gift of Chappal. A Gift of Chappal is an interesting story written by Vasanta Surya. It has 3 children in it and written name of Mahendra Burman. Yes, he read it right. Getting name of Mahendra Burman and somebody is gifting someone else chappal. But why would anybody gift a chappal? To know this, learn this story in this video. This chapter is divided into 2 parts. In first part, you are seeing here a gift of chappal and part 1. And now here, this is part 2. So in this first part, Pati and Thapa is called as a grandmother and grandfather. It is the name of in Tamil language. In Tamil we say Pati as a grandmother and Thapa as a grandfather. What happens basically? Mirdu lives with her grandparents. One first fine day, what happens me? Only those grandmother asks and tells her that today we are going to your aunt's place and the name of the aunt is Rukkumani. So they are visiting Rukkumani place. So in the first part you will know the cousin get excited to see Mirdu. They share their secret with Mirdu. This is what happens in the first part, and in the second part you will later on find Lalli learning violin from the music master and how the beggar appears. So our story is basically divided into 2 parts. So let us proceed forward, and before moving forward, I hope that the basic is clear to you that Mirdu is a girl and living with her grandparents, and now they are going to visit Rukkumani, and Lalli, Ravi and Meena are the cousins of that girl. Now first of all we are going to go into the chapter, but before this just imagine that you are visiting your cousins and what happened, your cousins get excited to see you. Similarly happened with Ravi. Ravi get excited to see Mirdu. So what Ravi pulled Mirdu? So this is the scares that Ravi pulled Mirdu. Let's take off my slipper now, Mirdu said. So Mirdu take off out of her slippers very neatly and keep them aside. But while keeping her slippers, she noticed, now what she noticed is very important. Now in this begging, she does not pay much heed to it too, but she noticed that black slippers marks of toes. Marks of toes show that you are seeing here the black slippers marks of toes. Marks of toes show that they are very old and they are very worn out. Now her cousin Ravi and Meena, they are very excited, both quick secret, but wanted to tell her a secret way about the kitten. Here is the kitten they have kept. Here is the kitten you are seeing in the picture. They have kept. She was telling her own story. How kitten come here, a very small kitten lapping up milk from half coconut shell. You see that there is a coconut shell. They were giving milk in the coconut shell. Meena and Ravi found it outside the gate, mewing that were telling her cousin Mirdu that this morning we found a cat that meowing. So now Meena is, a very angry, and she is warning her, please do it secret, because what will happen if Pathy comes to know? Pathy is the grandmother, okay? If she knows, she will go to the Paddu Mama's house. If she knows we have a cat, so they were very afraid. So they kept a secret that they have a small kitten, okay? Now this is the secret that they shared. Now what happened for though? Now Ravi described his problem review to look after the kitten. He says that people always tell us to be kind to animals, but when we are they scream, oh, don't bring that dirty creature here. The next problem Ravi tells us, it is also hard to get the milk. Now you see in the next position that Ravi is struggling to get milk for the cat. Now what happens? Ravi wants to feed the cat, but the Pathy saw him with a glass of milk in hand and looked suspiciously. So he had to drink most of the milk to throw her off. It means can say that throw her off, it means कि मूर्ख बनाना, पागल बनाना. For the instant, कुछ समय के लिए वो सो मूर्ख बनाने का प्रयास कर रहा था. पाती asked the tumbler bag. पाती ने कहा उसको कि तुम टम्बलर को यहाँ पर रख दो, है ना? जब तुम दूध पीना चाहते हो तो पी करके और उसको फिर से हमारे यहाँ पर रख दो. Now Ravi thinking that what I have to do, then Ravi said I could clean cold tumbler, and they go outside. They put some milk in half coconut shell. Now we have to think of some other ways to feed. Some other ways to feed Mahendran, said Ravi. She was surprised that Mahendran is the real name of a person, of a man. Then he suspected, he impressed because it sounded like a real name. Ravi wanted to tell her a story, how he gave her name Mahendran. Ravi tell full name of that kitten. The full name of the kitten is Mahendra Varman Pallav Punai. You can say that in short MP Punai. He is very fine breed of cat. He says that यह सो बहुत ही अच्छे किस्म की कैट है. Her fur look likes a lion mane. और उसने कहा कि इसका जो फर है वो एकदम शेर की बच्चे की तरह दिखता है. And you can say that, so that, see that the emblem of ancient Pallavas king was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. उसने कहा कि यह सो इसका पिक्चर ये पाल्लवा किंग के एम्बलेम पर भी देखने को मिलता है. Mridu giggled. Think I am joking. Well, just wait. I'll show you sometimes. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. He told that, do you not ever know about the history? In history, we have already seen on Mahabalipuram. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, he told that when our classmates, our class were going to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of Tathas, etc., etc. That he told that कि उनके फादर के फादर ग्रैंडफादर वो सो इस तरीके से उस स्टैचू पर लिखा हुआ था. ए क्लोज रिलेटिव scientifically speaking, and none of other than the lion, the Pallavas lion, emblem of the Pallavas dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the Bitterberry bush. This cat is descended of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. He said that this cat is belong from descendant, मतलब यह कह सकते हैं कि यह सो बहुत ही पुराने समय की, पुराने ज़माने के प्रजातियों के प्रकार की बिल्ली है. यू कैन से दैट महाबलीपुरम ऋषि कैट. दे वर्शिप कैट एंशियंट इजिप्ट, और एंशियंट इजिप्ट के जो लोग होते थे वो कैट की पूजा किया करते थे. हाउ ही लव्ड द साउंड ऑफ हिज ओन वॉइस. मीना एंड मृदु एक्सचेंज लुक्स. मीना और मृदु दे हैव changed them looks, And then what does they have to do with anything? मृदु demanded. मृदु ने डिमांड किया कि क्या हम लोगों का इस चैप्टर से, इस कहानी से कोई वास्ता है? वह, आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस कैट इज डिसेंडेड फ्रॉम द इजिप्टियन कैट गॉड, नो गॉडेस वास्टेट्स, या दैट्स इट। तो उसने कहा कि यह जो है सो गॉड नहीं है, यह तो इजिप्टियन गॉडिस है, देवी है ना, कैट गॉडेस मतलब बिल्ली देवी। वेल वन ऑफ द डिसेंडेंट ऑफ दैट कैट गॉडेस वाज स्टॉवेल in one of the Pallava's ship, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, whose descendant is Ravi flourished his twig at Mahendran. MP Punai here, who kept excited, very pleased with himself. So then he told about that Mahabalipuram Rishi cat is the descendant. It means you can say that it's a rare type of cat. It's rare type of creatures that you are looking here. Mahendran looked up, alarmed. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. After some time, he looked that Mahendran was sharpening his claws on the half-shell coconut. Ravi awoke fully. It was a screech. Allowed other types of sound that emerging, that suffering. No, you cannot say suffering. After cleaning the claws from the windows, what a varied sound! If Mridu was startled, MP Punai was frightened out of his wits. MP Punai was frightened. It means MP Punai जो थे वो क्या हो गए कि वो frightened हो गई, वो टेंशन में आ गई, गुस्सा में आ गई. He was standing on ends. He bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath, it had tipped a few chilies over himself. Chili, it means मिर्च. मिर्च जो है सो सूखने के लिए रखा गया था, वहाँ पर वो जो है सो हाइड होने का प्रयास कर रही थी. And then that time he scrambled a new types of sound, meow. The screeching went on and on. What is that noise? Said Mridu. That's Lali learning to play the violin. Granted, Ravi. तो लाली ने कहा कि लाली जो है सो वायलिन सीख रही है, ये उसी की आवाज़ हो सकती है. शी विल नेवर लर्न अ थिंग. द म्यूजिक मास्टर जस्ट गोज ऑन प्लेइंग लाइक अ ट्रेन, whizzing on and on, while Lali all the time daring, going completely off track. So we can say that Lali is learning violin, and now it's a playing violin train, was buzzing sound of that violin, meow. So this is our first part of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.